Northeast India is entering a new phase of infrastructure-led growth. Across 8 states, 6 strategic sectors, and more than 1 lakh crore rupees in committed investments, the region is rapidly transforming into one of India's most important growth frontiers. On 11th and 12th of June, this transformation comes to Shillong, Meghalaya. Welcome to the Northeast India Infrastructure Summit and Exhibition 2026, a high-impact platform bringing together governments, ministries, infrastructure leaders, investors, innovators, and businesses shaping the future of Northeast India.
This summit is hosted by Government of Meghalaya under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma, organized by FINERD, the Federation of Industries and Commerce of Northeastern Region, and co-organized by Build India Foundation.
We are honored to welcome Honorable Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari as the chief guest for the summit. A leader widely recognized for transforming India's infrastructure landscape through visionary execution, large-scale connectivity projects, and a relentless focus on development. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya continues to lead from the front, driving connectivity, tourism, sustainability, and investment-led growth while positioning the state as a strategic gateway for Northeast India's transformation.
This is one platform, one region, one infrastructure vision.
All the 8 states of Northeast India is driving its own infrastructure growth story. And together these efforts are creating something far greater, a stronger, more connected and more investment-ready Northeast. And across all states, the transformation has already begun. From the Trans-Arunachal Highway and Doni Polo Airport in Arunachal Pradesh to Assam's Tata Semiconductor Facility and Shillong Silchar Corridor, from Meghalaya's Parvatmala Ropeway Initiative to Mizoram's Baidali Sairang Railway, from Nagaland's expanding highway and logistics network to Sikkim's tourism and hydropower growth, from Manipur's connectivity expansion projects and Tripura's rise as a digital and trade gateway, a stronger Northeast India is taking shape. And powering this transformation are 6 strategic sectors driving the future of Northeast India. Roads and highways. From national highways and NEC road networks to rural road connectivity projects linking remote regions to trade and economic corridors.
We're inviting civil engineering companies, EPC and HAM developers, road materials, cement, steel, bitumen and fuel companies, construction chemicals, geosynthetics, green materials and EV infrastructure providers, road maintenance, road furniture brands and organizations related to roads and highways. Come, join us to grow your business by exhibiting and partnering for your products and solutions.
Tourism infrastructure. With 15 destinations across the region already selected under Swadesh Darshan 2.0, Northeast India is emerging as one of India's most promising tourism destinations. From the mountain landscapes of Mechuka in Arunachal Pradesh, the tea heritage experiences of Jorhat in Assam, and the historic town of Moirang in Manipur, to Shillong and Sohra in Meghalaya, Aizawl and Champhai in Mizoram, and the cultural destinations of Chumogima in Nagaland, Gangtok in Sikkim, and the iconic heritage landscapes of Unakoti in Tripura.
We're inviting hospitality and hotel brands, resorts, food and beverage brands, QSR players and ecotourism companies, adventure tourism companies, glamping ventures and cultural tourism operators, convention center developers, wellness and MICE brands and organizations related to tourism. Come join us to grow your business by exhibiting and partnering for your products and solutions.
Aviation and airports. This sector reflects the rapid expansion of air connectivity across Northeast India. With 19 operational airports, 90 active air routes, and expanding airport infrastructure across multiple states, aviation is unlocking new opportunities in trade, tourism, cargo, and regional mobility.
We're inviting airlines, seaplane operators, charter aviation companies, drone and eVTOL companies, airport and heliport developers, cargo terminal operators, MRO facilities, aviation service providers, and organizations related to aviation and airports. Come, join us to grow your business by exhibiting and partnering for your products and solutions.
Port, shipping, and waterways. From National Waterway 2 on the Brahmaputra to Pandu Port and Barab Valley Waterway ecosystem, and emerging opportunities across Umiam Lake and regional inland waterways, a new logistic network is emerging across the region.
We're inviting boat and yacht manufacturers, marina developers, ferry operators, seaport and inland waterway companies, river terminal developers, port logistics providers, shipbuilding and repair companies, coastal shipping operators, and organizations related to ports, shipping and waterways. Come, Join us to grow your business by exhibiting and partnering for your products and solutions.
Industrial infrastructure. Northeast India is rapidly emerging as a major industrial and manufacturing destination. Driven by initiatives like the Unnati scheme, the region is strengthening its industrial ecosystem across sectors.
We're inviting pre-engineered building companies, electrical and industrial automation providers, bamboo and wooden product companies, paints and chemical brands, roofing and shutter companies, aluminium section manufacturers, food processing and food park developers, MSME clusters, solar and power companies, industrial park and SEZ developers, logistics, warehousing and cold chain companies, industrial utility providers, and organizations related to industries. Come, join us to grow your business by exhibiting and partnering for your products and solutions.
Digital infrastructure. This sector highlights the digital backbone powering Northeast India's future economy. With 5G connectivity across all 8 states, the National Data Center in Assam, BharatNet expansion and Tripura's International Internet Gateway, this region is rapidly advancing towards a digitally connected future. Telecom operators, data center and cloud providers, GIS, ERP, SaaS and AI platforms, cybersecurity companies and organizations related to digital infrastructure will all come together on this platform.
For 2 days, the Northeast India Infrastructure Summit and Exhibition 2026 becomes the meeting point for government, industry, investment and innovation. Plenary sessions with policymakers and government leaders, expo and exhibitions featuring companies across all 6 sectors, CEO roundtables focused on investment and growth opportunities, B2G meetings enabling partnerships and collaborations, investment sessions connecting businesses and infrastructure opportunities across the region. We are honored to welcome Union Ministers from the associated sector ministries along with the Honorable Chief Ministers of all 8 Northeastern states as guest of honor at the Northeast India Infrastructure Summit and Exhibition 2026. We extend our sincere gratitude to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and the Ministry of Communications for extending their official support to the summit. We also thank our knowledge partners and industry partners for their valuable support and collaboration in making this platform possible.
The Northeast India Infrastructure Summit and Exhibition 2026.